You know that tomorrow I'm hustling like there's only one more second left of this hustle.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you read the title, then you know what we're doing today. This is going to be part 1 of a low hairline frontal install. If you don't know what a low hairline is, it's when the hairline comes close to the eyebrows and their forehead is a little bit smaller than usual. There are some stylists that won't work with this hairline, but I'm going to show you a very detailed way of how you can accomplish a frontal with no issues with someone's hairline that is like this. The first thing you're going to do is braid their hair back. Once you've got their braid pattern down, you're going to get the Gots to Be Free spray and you're going to blow dry their edges back. A lot of people ask me if I use cool or do I use heat. I mostly just put it on a warm setting, a temperature that is comfortable for the client's skin so they won't get burnt. And you're just going to do that all the way around. Make sure they are smoothed completely down. I'm going to attach the link below where I'm showing you guys a very detailed way of how to get a molded down cap. These new caps can be purchased at your local beauty supply store, and you're going to bring them all the way over the edges. The thicker part, you're not going to use that. You want to bring that all the way above their edges. Then you're going to get this gel and smooth it completely over their hairline and their hairline only. Once you've completed that, you're going to get the Gots to Be spray to secure that. Once the gel and the free spray is secured, you're going to blow dry it until it's completely dry, and you're going to cut the cap off. If you did this part right, this is how your cap should look once you cut it off. Then you're going to proceed with the makeup. Use a makeup that is closest to the client's skin complexion. Please use a cream or a liquid foundation. Don't use a powder. The cream or the liquid is going to give you the best results. By now, I hope you've subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and say ready if you're ready for part 2. Right now, I'm just showing you guys how to pluck for a lower hairline. Plucking is the same, but the only difference is you want to make it very thin because their hairline is low and you don't want the hairline to look like a helmet and you don't want the hairline to be super thick. So you're going to pluck, pluck, pluck until it's thin. Not to where it has bald spots, but to where it's thin and it looks very natural. Don't forget to say ready if you're ready for part 2.